Stripe account, and here in developer section you will find your publishable key and secret key. Copy that, go to env file and paste here. I already pasted, so stripe pk equal to your published key, and stripe sk equal to your secret key. Okay, next I am following stripe documentation here. Hence we are integrating stripe payment in php. I selected php here, and first we have to install the package, stripe package. So copy this, go to your project, and enter the package. So now package is installed. So check in composer.json, and you will find out here which version of the stripe php has been installed in your project. Okay, and go to the documentation. So mention your domain name. So actually this domain name is helping you to redirect the success and cancel after the payment. Okay. So what we can do in our case, we can copy this domain in our env. So our project is running in 800 port number. So name it as website, and next copy this code, go to stripe controller, paste in post stripe function. This will be our domain, env website slash success and cancel. You have to create two routes for success and cancel transaction. Go to routes web.php, get request, and we already created one function in this type controller for success and cancel transaction. Okay, so this is our checkout function, post stripe. So we have price, quantity, mode, success URL, cancel URL fields. So price is nothing but price equal to price ID. So price ID we will get it from the Stripe dashboard once we are creating the product there. Okay. The quantity is by default one, and we can make it dynamic based on the customer selection. So for example, in Flipkart or Amazon, we can choose multiple quantity of the same product, right? So those selection we can have it here by making dynamic, that is possible. And next one is mode. So mode, by default we have payment mode. One time we can pay the product. Okay, so for e-commerce purpose we can follow this payment mode. And but for example, in other cases, Amazon Prime or Netflix, etc., there we have to pay every year. So that time there is another mode available called subscription. if we enable this subscription mode, then every year or every month, how we configured based on that how we configured based on that configuration, the amount will be deducted from the customer based on. Okay, so customer every time no need to pay the amount. I mean, there is no manual work. Automatically amount will be deducted from the customer card. Okay, so this is the mode option, payment and subscription. And once successfully paid, it will navigate to this URL, success URL. So we have to provide this, what is the URL here. So env of website, so we are mentioning our website in the env in one place. So it will call like this. If it is success, then our domain slash success. If it is cancelled, then domain slash cancel, like this. Okay, next we will create one product in this Stripe dashboard. Okay, now we are in Stripe dashboard. We have to create our first product. Add product and give any name. And you can add a description if you want, but this is optional. And you can add image also. You can see the additional option here. You can add all these metadata, but I am doing filling only required fields. So price model, we have different option, standard pricing, package pricing. So I'm going with standard pricing. And what is the price here? You can choose any rupees, dollar, or any based on your requirement. You can select here. I'm going with rupees, Indian rupees. And here you can select the recurring mode if you want, or one time. Okay, so recurring means, as I already explained you, like kind of subscription. So if you want to go with the subscription every month or every year, then you can choose recurring mode here for this particular product. Okay, I'm selecting recurring, and let me choose yearly. Now product is created, and you can check all these details what we mentioned there. So copy this price ID. As I told earlier, it is starting from price underscore. We can choose the price ID here and paste in the price section. Okay, this is wrong. Actually, we should not mention the dollar sign in ENV. Remove semicolon also. And after that, run your project. Okay, now we have two products here, and when we click first product, we have to pass price id one, first one. And for second, we have to pass second price id. So dynamically we have to pass these two. So we can do, so give product name here, product. And for this second product, so we have one form, and button type equal to submit. So this will be type what we created in the browse, created stripe. Let's give same name in the form also. Has to close. after 50. Okay, and if the type equal to hidden. Okay. So let's pass our price ID in hidden way. Value equal to what is our first product ID. Copy this and the same way for second product. Sorry, copy the ID. Okay, so now if you are submitting our product, I mean if you are buying our product, first product it will pass rupees 100, and if you are buying our second product it will pass 200. Okay, okay, we mentioned form method equal to post, and we have to hence we are passing post request. We have to use CSRF field, otherwise we will get page expired error. Okay, so now go to your routes. We are passing post request for Stripe, and make sure you have mentioned the same method name in your controller. Okay, now we will have one test. Refresh your page. By now, yes. Now we are getting our price ID. So if we select second product, we will get another price ID. So this is different and this is different. Now dynamically we can pass this price ID to the Stripe checkout. Okay, we'll store in one variable, and here you can add validation also, but as of now I'm not going to add. And just this is just demo for how to add Stripe payment in your application. Okay, paste Stripe ID here, and mode equal to subscription. Fine. Now write a comment here after success payment. So success payment answered. Okay, now we have included our dynamic price ID. Before testing, we have to add our Stripe EP keys. Okay, so Stripe EP key. So this Stripe secret, where it will get it from the env file. Might be given Stripe SK. Okay, copy that, and to use Stripe method, we have to include first in our project. Go to top of your project, use Stripe. Okay, this is our checkout function. So we have used our Stripe for secret code here. So from the env file it will be loaded. To use Stripe, we have to declare in the top of the page, that is in our controller. Okay, then we are passing our price ID dynamically, and the quantity, and the mode of the payment. So whether it is a payment mode or subscription mode. So then let's have a try now. I think everything is good. Refresh your page and click on buy now. In the checkout it should show rupees 100. Okay, it is coming fine. Okay, let's have one demo here. So in the documentation they provided one a sample card detail. To test the payment succeed, we can use this credit card number and the card details. Paste the card number which we copied from the documentation and the month and year. This one you can enter any future dates. For example, we cannot enter 12/19. That is that shows expired. Okay, so we have to enter future date. 12 23rd. CVC number you can enter anything, any three-digit number. Name of the card you can enter anything. Country or region you can choose India. Then subscribe. It shows one pop-up. Okay, after that it is success. Now it redirected to the payment success. Okay, where we mentioned this, we mentioned routes. If it is success, then the it will be redirecting to the this URL, and we mentioned in the function that is echo payment success. Okay, so okay, now subscription is done. So the amount will be deducted every uh, per year based on how we selected. Okay, so this is a Stripe auto subscription payment method. And the next, if we want to apply coupon for a particular product, we can do that using a Stripe coupon. Okay, so first we have to create coupon in our Stripe account. Create test coupon, and this is coupon name. Anything you can give. As of now, I am giving starter, and the coupon ID automatically it will generate, or else you can create your own ID. So I am leaving as it is. It will create automatic ID for us. So next, the type of the coupon, like if you want to apply percentage discount, or if you want to uh, fixed amount discount, you can choose anything here. I'm going for first option, percentage discount. So let's give 5 percentage, and you can choose any particular product. For example, we have two product, right? So you can choose a coupon for any particular product, or else you can choose all the product 5 percentage. It's up to you. I'm giving all the percentage to all the product. This is 5 percentage discount to all the product. So I'm not choosing any particular product. So if you want to do particular product, you can enable this toggle apply to specific product. Then find your product which you already created previously. Okay, so I'm not doing that right now. So duration, you can choose the duration of this coupon. Only once the user can utilize, or multiple of the month, or forever. So based on your requirement, you can select this option. As long I'm leaving as it is, and there is another option like limit the date range when customer can redeem this coupon. You can choose this option also. You can select before what time, or before a particular range uh, the customer has to utilize this coupon. You can select whatever you want. Okay, and just once you're done with all the settings, you can go for create coupon. So if you click this coupon, it will give you the coupon ID, name of the particular coupon, and created, valid, all the details which you submitted while creating the coupon. Okay. Okay. How we can implement coupon in our code? So just go to their documentation. They provided here the solution. We have to copy this code discount and paste in our controller. So coupon equal to coupon ID. So this coupon ID is nothing but just we created one coupon, right? Copy this. This is the coupon ID and paste here in our controller. So this 5% discount will be applying for all the product. Okay. Now let's have one test. So buy now. So 5 percentage of first product, that is 95 rupees. So coupon is applied to this particular product, and let's check for second one. So 5 percentage of product 2, that is 190 rupees. Okay, how we can mention coupon for particular product? So let's create one more coupon. Coupon name is welcome and percentage 10 apply to particular product, first product. Okay, and create coupon, copy the ID, go to your code and paste the coupon ID, and let's have test now. Buy now. Okay, now 10 percentage is applied to this particular product, welcome. Okay, let's have test second product. Now this is returning error. Why? Because we applied this coupon only for first product. Okay, so that's why we are getting this error. So we undo and apply other coupon which we implemented for all the product, then it will work fine. This is how we can implement a Stripe payment in our Laravel project using subscription and coupon. Okay.